hating my job every day. I was getting tired in the morning, and I knew for sure I don't want to try something that is for try and error. No, I want something that works, something that makes sense, and where I'm going to be personally involved in making the business work. All right. So Sam has done his due diligence. He has researched, and he is here. I want you guys to talk. I want you to talk to dads. All right, you and me are dads, which is an awesome space to be. And the dads who are watching this, number one, dads require a huge amount of time. They are logical, and men are logical, and we get it. So, what would you tell a dad who is watching this?
To a dad who is watching, I'm a father. Personally, I have 4 kids, so I know the responsibility of a father, and all the bills. By the fact that you are a dad, they don't stop coming from you.
Exactly.
So even if you have your wife who is working, they still look upon you as the head of the family to make sure that your contribution is 101%, not just 100,
but 101%.
So that's why you need this, so that you can join us, you can become part of us, so that you can work together. So you don't have to, to stress yourself in terms of looking for the resources, in terms of feeding your family. So you come, let's team up. Sam is a dad, I'm a dad. That's why we are here to represent you.
Exactly.
And to give you that firm foundation that you can do this. Yes.
Absolutely. So dads watching this, and moms and parents, if you're working, if you're in corporate, come and join us. Take your time to research. Don't take forever. I normally encourage somebody to take 3 weeks. Is enough. 3 weeks is more than enough for you to do your due diligence and to research and have this up and running. I want to say that I'm so much thankful for you and for doing this. Tell them you have a website in less than 1 hour.
No. The interesting bit of it is, besides that I'm in the IT, I did bring my, my IT judge around here. So I allowed Sam to set up my website, and I'm excited. It's a smooth process.
It's a really smooth process.
20, 30 minutes, 1 hour to the maximum. You are done. You have a website. You have actually, a website. You have rounded your business.
Exactly. A website
out there. Yeah. So website done, and I'm very happy, and I'm super excited.
Exactly.
Oh yes.
Thank you so much. He did it. You too can go to do it. If you want to join us on our Zoom webinar, we do Zoom webinar on Thursday at 8 p.m. We do physical workshop on Friday and Saturday, and we do live on TikTok and YouTube every day, 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Come change your life. Come listen in. All those trainings are for free. They are my freebies. Literally, I do them as my lead magnets. They are my free methods to educate you, so that once you make this decision, number one, you're informed, you're confident, and you're ready for success. Thank you so much.